Do you worry about managing and motivating your team remotely? Forefront has helped hundreds of managers get the most from their teams in any situation, including the current COVID-19 pandemic. Forefront has transitioned online incredibly well and continues to provide practical help to individuals and managers during this difficult time. Our most recent Forefront delegates started in the classroom and transitioned online.
All the activities where we were split off into groups, it all worked really well. If anything, more convenient.
I really enjoyed it. It was really good to you could still see each other. Using Zoom was a really good platform.
Not only will we guide you through the programme, you'll benefit from the collective experience of other people.
One of the strengths of the course is working together as a group, and I was almost tempted to sort of see if we could cancel it and do it when everything went back to normal. I'm really glad I didn't, because it works so well as an online course.
Improve your confidence in managing people and problems while inspiring your team. Join us on our next ILM 3 Forefront course.